In front of me is Hammer Blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Tap on Google Password Manager and select one of your passwords that you wish to check. Then enter your screen lock and tap on eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!